So I'm just going to give a quick brush to my eyebrows and fill them in. As you know, it's quite easy, and I like it with the Rimmel brown pencil in the shade dark brown. I'm then going to use this Kiko neutral eye base. I absolutely love this as my eye primer because the eyeshadow sticks to it really well and then doesn't spread throughout the day. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Beached Palette, starting with the shade Daybreak for my edges. I'm going to fill this shade across both my eyes below the creases. This is the Revolution palette, and I'm going to go in my edges with the darker brick shade from here. The next shade I'm going in with is the shade Blaze from the Urban Decay palette, and I'm just going to go in with this in the inner corners of my eyes and just use the remaining residue at the top part of my eyes. Next, I'm going to be using this shade Salt from the Urban Decay palette to fill in my inner eyes and brow bone. For my eyeliner, I've gone for the double dip shade from the Urban Decay palette. One tip is to use the all-nighter setting spray on your brush and then dip the brush into the eyeshadow in order to get a eyeliner effect. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Highlighting Effects Concealer from Kiko Milano. This is the Lash Hero Fibre Extension Mascara from the Body Shop, and it's the first time I'm trying it out. So the way to work this is to go in with the black side first, then you attach the fibres to the mascara, and then you go back in with the black mascara gel again. Now, as you can see, the results are really amazing. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Bareminerals Original Foundation in the shade Medium Tan. The best way to use this foundation is to take a little bit of product onto the brush, swivel it into the lid and then dust it before applying to your face. For contouring, I'm going to use the same Kiko Milano Highlighting Fluid Concealer, but now in the shade 08.